2 o'clock and I've been thinking of 2 young people on a wall, playing out till late, believing that that was life and that was all. 2 o'clock and I've been thinking of 2 young people not the same. No one seemed to share their laughter, and tomorrow never came. Kid you not, it's not a game to play. It's not a case of have or lose. I am not the only one who said that I was lucky having you. Getting late and I've been wondering how things would be had you not come. Gave me space to think and a room to sing, and didn't shudder when I sung. Oh, kid you not, it's not a game to play. It's not a case of have or lose. I am not the only one who said that I was lucky having you. Kid you not, it's not a game to play. It's not a case of have or lose. I am not the only one who said that I was lucky having you.